Children, did you say your prayer in the Hindi period?
Yes, ma'am.
Nod
Yes,
your,
ma'am.
nod your head, nod your head.
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't say yes. You either show me a thumbs up sign or you nod your head, okay? Don't switch on your mic. So we have already done the prayers. We've already done the prayers and you have already had a class, so you are quite active at the moment. So you are ready with your arithmetic copy and your pencil and your scale and your eraser, right? So open to a new page.
मैम आज प्यार नहीं होगी
हिंदी पीरियड में कर ली थी? यस नो? हिंदी पीरियड में हो गई, हिंदी पीरियड में हो गई थी ना. सो
नो मैम
अक्षत, अक्षत switch on your mic.
यस मैम
हिंदी पीरियड में प्रेयर हुई थी?
यस मैम
ओके, स्विच इट ऑफ बेटा. Ready with your arithmetic copy? I am sending you an image. You will do it in the next 10 minutes and then send it to me on my personal inbox, right? Sending you the image for ordinal numbers that we did yesterday. We will do that exercise in the copy also. And see that you're writing the correct spelling. After the margin, leave one square and then start writing, as I have left the square and I'm writing. Okay, you have just 10 minutes to write these 10 ordinal numbers, so please write them quickly. Havira, you're doing your work now.
यस मैम यस मैम
You just raise your hand and understand better. Good girl. Continue. Lavik, please switch on your camera. I want to see you. Hussain, good morning, child. Hussain,
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Hussain, take out your arithmetic copy, Hussain. Your pencil. Hmm? तुम्हारी आवाज ही नहीं आ रही. Okay, start writing. Be a good boy, beta. Be a good boy. Very good boy. Start writing, child. Yes, Karthik, Lavik, your camera is on. Do your work now. Now do your work.
मैम इनको क्या करना था मैम? काम क्या दिया आपने?
मैंने WhatsApp पे काम भेजा है, वो करना है.
व्हाट्सएप पे, तो व्हाट्सएप पे मैम देखना पड़ेगा. तो क्या देखना? मैम देखते हैं.
लाविक को प्लीज रोज क्लासेस अटेंड कराइए. बहुत इरेगुलर है लाविक, वेरी इरेगुलर. Start the spelling of each ordinal number with a capital letter, children. See that you are writing with a capital letter. Don't make any spelling mistakes. Hussain, you are not writing, child. Smile, please switch on your camera. I want to see you writing. Akshay, are you writing or you are playing, child? Akshay, you're writing or playing? Hanifa, correct the spelling of first, beta. And fourth, fifth, you have to write with a capital letter. Spelling of ninth is wrong. 10th, write with a capital letter. Hanifa, jaldi mat karo, because when you want to be the first, you tend to make mistakes, child. Check it and send it to me again. Ayansh, spelling of fourth is wrong. 8th, please write with a capital letter. Veronica, your G is erased out. Complete your G. And beta, जो 10th तुमने लिखा है, तो 10th में you have drawn a line across T. It is making it F. So please check that. Okay. 10th को ठीक करो and 8th का G सही करो. Advait, please rub out your work. You have to write this side of the margin. See how I have done the work. You have to do it in exactly the same manner. You have to write on the right side of the margin. You have to leave one square after the margin and then start writing. So फिर से करो बेटा. The entire work you have to do again. Akshita, good work. Ishanvi, please send me the photo. I don't want a PDF for this. Please click a picture and send it to me. Tasmia, check the date. You have written the wrong date and you have written it in a wrong manner. Second thing, you have not written the ordinal numbers with a capital letter. Please check that. Myra Tendon, all good.
Hello.
Cheyenne, since the margin is already drawn there, you don't need to redraw it better. Naima, good work. Suknoor, where are you, child? Yes, Suknoor. Look into your copy, child. Copy में देखो. तुमने margin नहीं draw करी है. You have not drawn a margin. You have to draw a margin. And after you draw the margin, you will leave one square and then write all the numbers and the ordinal numbers. इस काम को फिर से करो बेटा and show it to me again. Okay? Do it just now. अभी करो and send it to me. Adya, you have made the same mistake. Please rub it out. Write on right side of the margin. Margin के बाद you will leave one square and then you will write the number. Do it and send it to me just now. Abdullah, the same mistake. You have not written the heading, you have not put the date. You have written on the left side of the margin, whereas you have to write on the right side of the margin. You have to leave one square after the margin. Please do it again and send it to me. Arsalan, please check the spelling of eighth. Check the spelling of eighth, Arsalan.
EIDHTEH.
No, see what I have sent, beta. Viraj, please rub out the work and margin के बाद एक square छोड़ के लिखना है जैसे मैंने बताया है. Please do it again and send it to me. Havira, all good. Ishanvi, there is no margin. You have not drawn the margin. You have not put the date. You have not written the word, the numbers as I have told you to. Please do it and send it to me. Lavik, the heading is wrong. You have not drawn the margin. Please draw a margin, leave one square after the margin and then write the numbers and the ordinal numbers. Please do it again and send it to me. Akshat, write 10 properly and then write the spelling of 10th properly. One number in one square. I have been telling you since the beginning of the class. You have written 10 in one square only. Achint, all good. Vidushi, you have not drawn the margin. Vidushi Thakur, please pay attention and put that phone down. You have not drawn the margin. You have written, you have to draw the margin and then write the numbers leaving one square. You have written the spelling of 7th wrong. Please correct it and send it to me just now. Ashvi, I have received only till 9th. Send me the spelling of 10th also, please. Okay, Nabiha. Okay, all good. Nishkart, please write on the right side of the margin.
Ma'am, I have some.
Vidushi, will you please keep quiet? Nishkart, please write on the right side of the margin. Leave one square. Do the work and send it to me again. Okay, Mahira, all good. Saida, I told you to leave one square from the margin and write. Please rub it out. Leave one square from the margin and then start writing. And also write each ordinal number with a capital letter. Redo it and send it to me just now. Akshay, you have written on the left side of the margin. Please write on the right side of the margin. Leave one square and then write and send it to me just now.
Okay.
Yasir, there is no margin. Please draw a margin and follow the instructions I have been giving. Laiba, rub it out, leave one square from the margin and rewrite. Leave one square from the margin and write again. Pura kaam, rub it out and send it to me again after doing it. Ishanvi, rub it out and redo it. ध्यान से सुनो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. Ishanvi Trivedi. Ishanvi, where are you? Raise your hand, please. Yes, Ishanvi. Okay, Ishanvi. Pay attention. Put your hand down. ध्यान से सुनो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. Margin के बाद you have to leave one square and then write the number. Okay, and then you will write the ordinal number. Your spelling of fourth is wrong. Correct that also. Lavik, still not correct. You have written ordering numbers. The name is ordinal number. Where are you, Lavik? Please raise your hand. Lavik Agarwal, please raise your hand. Okay. ध्यान से सुनो लाविक मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. सुनाई दे रहा है मैं क्या कह रही हूँ? Because you are refusing to understand English. So I am talking to you in Hindi. You have to draw a margin. Margin draw करना है. Margin के बाद एक square छोड़ना है और एक square छोड़ के लिखना है. So that when you are writing 10, you are writing 10 properly. Redo it. Ordering numbers तुमने लिखा है. That the chapter is ordinal numbers. Do it just now and send it to me. You don't have to say okay. Please do your work. And you don't have to switch on your mic. Hurry up and do your work. Advait, the spelling of ninth is still wrong. Spelling of ninth, please check the spelling of ninth. And see the spelling that I have sent, child. Abdullah, where are you? Please raise your hand. Abdullah, raise your hand. Where are you? Yes. Listen carefully to what I am saying. ध्यान से सुनो मैं क्या कह रही हूँ. Margin के right side लिखना है one number in one square. And after the margin you will leave one square. यानी margin के बाद एक square छोड़ोगे, उसके बाद 1 2 3 लिखना शुरू करोगे. So that when you are writing 10, you are writing 10 properly. Rub it out and do it again please and send it to me just now. सुखनूर, एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग बेटा. जो भी करा है बिल्कुल गलत करा है. ध्यान दो, जो मैंने अभी तुम्हें इमेज भेजी है. सुखनूर, रेज योर हैंड. ओके ओके सुखनूर, मैंने अभी सब बच्चों से मैं क्या बता रही हूँ, कैसे लिखना है, तुम मुझे बताओ. माइक स्विच ऑन करो अपना. मैंने क्या बताया बेटा? मार्जिन के किस तरफ लिखना है?
राइट साइड में।
ओके, तुमने मार्जिन तो ड्रॉ करी नहीं है। मार्जिन के राइट साइड लिखना है। अपना राइट हैंड उठाओ। ओके, समझ में आ गया मार्जिन के किस तरफ लिखना है?
यस
मार्जिन ड्रॉ करना आती है?
यस मैम।
ओके, सो फर्स्ट यू विल ड्रॉ अ मार्जिन, देन मार्जिन के राइट साइड से लिखना शुरू करोगी। और कितने स्क्वायर छोड़ के मैंने लिखना बताया है? 1 स्क्वायर फ्रॉम द राइट साइड ऑफ द मार्जिन। मार्जिन के राइट साइड से 1 स्क्वायर छोड़ के लिखना शुरू करोगी नंबर्स, सो दैट व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग 10 यू आर एबल टू राइट 10 प्रॉपरली। ठीक है?
यस मैम।
चलो फिर से करो, फटाफट लिखो। और ये जो तुमने उसके बाद फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड लिखा है नंबर्स में, वो तुम्हें लिख के नहीं भेजना है, सिर्फ नंबर्स और ऑर्डिनल नंबर्स भेजना है। जल्दी से करो एंड सेंड इट टू मी। Okay, Viraj, correct. Yes, Advait, correct. Yes, Akshat, correct. Okay. Vidushi, raise your hand. Vidushi Thakur, where are you? Raise your hand, please.
Yes ma'am.
I said raise your hand. I didn't ask you to switch on your mic, Vidushi. Learn to follow the instructions first. Raise your hand. Switch on your camera. Put your hand down. You have not drawn the margin. ध्यान से सुनो and don't switch on your mic till I ask you to. You have not drawn the margin. You have to draw the margin. After you draw the margin, you will leave 1 square from the margin. Margin के बाद 1 square छोड़ोगी, उसके बाद numbers लिखोगी and then you will write the ordinal numbers. Do it and send it to me just now. Quickly. Don't say okay ma'am, just start doing your work quickly. Laiba, I'm still waiting for your correction. Where is Smile? Smile, I'm waiting to see you on camera. If you are not on camera, it means someone else is attending the class for you. Camera on कीजिए please. Please switch on the camera. Yes, Adya, correct work. Smile, please switch on your camera. Okay, I think I have checked everyone's work. Next period you have science. Please be ready with your science copy in the next period.